How to put an NGL link on Facebook info. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put an NGL link on Facebook info. So to put the NGL link, first of all, open up the NGL app on your phone. From its app, you need to click on the copy link button from here. After copying the link from here, go and open up the Facebook app. So once you open up the Facebook account, tap on menu from the top right corner. Now from here, tap to go into your Facebook profile. After that, click to edit profile from your Facebook account. Then scroll down in the editing profile option. And now, you need to tap on edit your about info. Now, you will find social links and websites options from here. Then, tap to add social link from social links. Then enter your username, and after that, add the website here. Once you added the website's link, tap to save it. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.